The best greenhouse kits in 2026? They combine durability, smart design, and easy setup for every gardener. Whether you are a beginner or an expert, these top picks will help you create the perfect growing environment. Stay with us to find the ideal option for your needs, and do not forget to check the links in the description. Number 5, the Backyard Discovery Poppy 9-foot by 6-foot cedar wood and polycarbonate walk-in greenhouse kit is a thoughtfully designed solution for gardeners who want reliable performance and year-round growing capability. Built with 100% cedar wood, this structure delivers natural strength and resistance to decay, ensuring long-lasting outdoor use. The light brown finish also adds a modern and attractive touch that blends beautifully into any backyard setting. One of the standout features is its all-weather durability, as the greenhouse is Protect tested to handle heavy snow loads up to 2,600 pounds and strong winds up to 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This makes it a dependable choice for various climates. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate panels provide excellent insulation, improving heat retention by up to 30% and helping plants thrive in colder seasons. Another highlight is the integrated ventilation system. The temperature-activated exhaust fan works alongside an easy open window to maintain proper airflow, ensuring plants receive the ideal balance of heat and fresh air. Inside, the spacious 50 square feet layout offers impressive functionality with built-in staging shelves, a 4-tier rack, and multiple plant hooks for organized gardening. The inclusion of the power port system adds modern convenience with 3 outlets and USB ports, making it easy to run gardening tools or lighting. Combined with hose hookups for simple watering, this greenhouse delivers excellent usability. Overall, the Poppy greenhouse stands out for its year-round gardening capability, durability, and smart design. Number 4, the Backyard Discovery Zalie 11 by 7-foot cedar wood and polycarbonate walk-in greenhouse kit is a premium option for gardeners who want a larger and more capable growing space. Built from 100% cedar wood, this greenhouse offers excellent durability and natural resistance to decay, while its clean architectural design adds a modern look to any outdoor setting. One of its strongest advantages is all-weather durability. The Protect tested structure can handle up to 4,400 pounds of snow load and withstand winds up to 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This makes it a reliable solution for gardeners in demanding climates. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate panels further enhance performance by improving heat retention by up to 30%, helping maintain stable temperatures throughout the year. The greenhouse also stands out with its integrated ventilation system. A temperature-activated exhaust fan works together with 2 easy open windows to provide consistent airflow, ensuring plants receive proper ventilation and natural pollination support. This creates an ideal environment for healthy growth across all seasons. Inside, the spacious interior offers 86 square feet of working area, complete with foldable and fixed staging shelves for flexible organization. The built-in power port with electrical outlets and USB ports adds modern convenience, allowing easy use of lighting and gardening tools. Combined with interior and exterior hose hookups, daily maintenance becomes simple and efficient. Overall, this greenhouse delivers a powerful combination of size, durability, and smart features for serious gardeners. Number 3, the Backyard Discovery Bellerose 11 by 7-foot cedar wood and polycarbonate walk-in greenhouse kit is a premium choice for gardeners who want both functionality and visual appeal. Built from 100% cedar wood, this greenhouse offers long-lasting durability and natural resistance to decay, while the attached pergola adds a charming architectural element that enhances any outdoor space. One of the most impressive features is its all-weather durability. The Protect tested structure can withstand up to 5,700 pounds of snow load and winds up to 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This makes it a dependable option for year-round use in challenging climates. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate panels further improve heat retention by up to 30%, helping maintain consistent temperatures for plant growth. The greenhouse also excels with its integrated ventilation system. A temperature-activated exhaust fan works alongside 2 easy open windows to ensure proper airflow and support natural pollination. This combination creates an optimal environment for healthy and productive plants. Inside, the spacious interior offers 83 square feet of well-organized workspace, complete with foldable and fixed staging shelves and multiple plant hooks. The built-in power port with electrical outlets and USB ports adds convenience for powering tools or lighting, while interior and exterior hose hookups make watering simple. Overall, the Bellerose greenhouse delivers a perfect blend of strength, smart features, and elegant design for dedicated gardeners. Number 2. The Backyard Discovery Poppy 11-foot by 7-foot cedar wood and polycarbonate walk-in greenhouse kit is a well-engineered solution for gardeners who want more space, durability, and year-round growing performance. Built with 100% cedar wood, this greenhouse delivers excellent structural strength and natural resistance to decay, while the light brown finish and pergola-style overhangs add a modern and stylish touch to any backyard. One of its standout qualities is all-weather durability. The ProTech tested frame is designed to withstand up to 4,200 pounds of snow load and winds up to 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This ensures dependable protection for your plants in a wide range of weather conditions. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate panels further enhance performance by improving heat retention by up to 30%, creating a stable environment for year-round gardening. The greenhouse also features an effective integrated ventilation system. A temperature-activated exhaust fan works alongside 2 easy open windows to maintain proper airflow, helping regulate temperature and support healthy plant growth through natural circulation. Inside, the spacious interior offers 78 square feet of well-organized workspace, including extensive staging shelves, a 4-tier rack, and plant hooks for vertical growing. The built-in power port with electrical outlets and USB ports adds convenience for powering tools and lighting, while interior and exterior hose hookups make watering efficient. Overall, this greenhouse combines durability, functionality, and smart design for dedicated gardeners. Number 1. The Backyard Discovery Bellerose XL 13x11 cedar wood and polycarbonate walk-in greenhouse kit is a top-tier solution for serious gardeners who need maximum space, durability, and advanced functionality. Built with 100% cedar wood, this greenhouse delivers exceptional strength and natural resistance to decay, while the attached pergola adds a timeless and elegant touch to your outdoor space. One of its most impressive features is all-weather durability. The ProTech tested structure is engineered to withstand up to 9,200 pounds of snow load and winds up to 100 miles per hour when properly anchored. This makes it one of the most robust greenhouse options available, ideal for year-round outdoor gardening in demanding climates. The commercial-grade 4-wall polycarbonate panels further enhance performance by improving heat retention by up to 30%, ensuring stable growing conditions. The greenhouse also excels with its spacious interior. Offering 143 square feet of usable space, it provides ample room for large plants, raised planters, and even wheelbarrow access. The combination of lower and upper staging shelves, along with multiple plant hooks, allows for efficient organization and flexible growing setups. Another standout is its smart convenience features. The built-in power port includes electrical outlets and USB ports for powering tools and lighting. A temperature-activated exhaust fan and dual windows maintain proper airflow, while interior and exterior hose connections make watering simple. Overall, the Bellerose XL greenhouse offers a perfect blend of size, strength, and modern convenience for dedicated gardening enthusiasts. Thanks for watching our guide to the best greenhouse kits in 2026. We hope this video helped you find the perfect setup for your gardening needs, whether you are growing vegetables, herbs, or flowers year-round. If you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more updates. Let us know your favorite pick in the comments, and remember to check the links in the description.